As here we can read the question. This is the exercise 4.1. As I told you that some portion from this chapter also deleted from this year's syllabus, but only the reducing pair related questions they were deleted, but still some problems, some which are in the form of simple form that we have to do. So let me read the question. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than the twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So what is the interesting thing? This kind of question, if they were asking in chapter 3, we have to guess it in the form of x and y. There we are using two variables. But here in quadratic equation, we have to use only one variable that could be in the form of x, y or any variable, but it should be in the form of one variable only. यानी हमें यहाँ पे जो लेंथ गैस करनी है और ब्रेथ गैस करनी है दोनों x के फॉर्म में ही होगी. So how? So I am solving the question. You just see over here. The length of the plot is one more than the twice its breadth. यानी लेंथ ब्रेथ से ट्वाइस है साथ साथ में प्लस वन भी है. मीन्स वी हैव टू गैस हियर. सो हियर वी विल गैस लेट द breadth of the plot that is in the form of x meter. So if we are guessing here, let the length of the plot. So now it is not in the form of y, it is in the form of x. तो वो कैसे होगी तो हम वापस रीड करेंगे. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. यानी अगर breadth x है तो length उससे twice है और one more है. So it is in this form. And if it is in meter, let us guess it in meter. Then what another statement they have given to us? तो उन्होंने बोला है the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meter square. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे that area of the plot that is in the form of L into B. तो L हमने गैस किया है in the form of x and B हमने गैस किया in the form of, and here they have given total as 528 meters square. So now let us open this bracket, so it will become 2x square. So x was the x and this is 528. Let us shift this side, so it will become minus 528 and this is equals to 0. Now here we are not having any option क्योंकि अभी तक हमने quadratic formula नहीं पढ़ा है. So compulsorily here we have to use splitting the middle term. So how we can split this 528 twos are, यानी हमें multiply करना पड़ेगा. We have to multiply 528 twos are 1056. We have to take out factor of 1056 like that. That if we are doing minus plus 1 should remain over here. यानी हमारा आंसर माइनस करके आना चाहिए और 1 वहाँ पे बचना चाहिए. So how we will do? Let us see. As here you can see that if we are doing further process 1056 के ऐसे फैक्टर निकालने means we have to take out factors of 1056 like that कि अगर हम माइनस करें तो हमारा आंसर 1 आना चाहिए. So that will be the further process, but for this exercise they only ask us to form the quadratic equation. So we already formed. So ये process अब आगे नहीं करेंगे हम because they ask only for practicing that how we can form quadratic formula. But मैंने आपको आगे की मेथड बताई है that if we this question could ask in 3 marks or 4 marks, what further process we have to do? We have to multiply 528 twos है यानी 1056 के ऐसे फैक्टर निकालना और ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन बनाना है कि if you are doing minus our answer should be in the form of 1. So ऐसे कोई कॉम्बिनेशन बनाएंगे और वो प्रोसेस होगी splitting the middle term. But for this question, for exercise 4.1 question 1, what they have asked, don't do further process, only form the quadratic formula. So here we have formed the quadratic formula and this will be your correct answer. positive integer is 306. We need to find the integer. But as I told you, here we just have to form the quadratic equation. We not have to solve. अगर यही क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क्स या 3 मार्क्स में पूछते तो then we have to solve it and we have to find that integer. So यहाँ पे हमें गैस करना है the product of the two consecutive positive integer, यानी कि अगर एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर 2 है तो दूसरा होगा 3, और अगर हम उनका प्रोडक्ट कर रहे हैं यानी 2 into 3 कर रहे हैं, we got answer in the form of something. So here we have to guess that let the one positive integer in the form of x. तो अगर ये x है तो उसका कंसेक्यूटिव दूसरा नंबर x plus 1 के फॉर्म में होगा, क्योंकि अगर ये 2 है तो वो 3 होगा, तभी वो कंसेक्यूटिव होंगे. लाइक इफ इट इज 5 so next one will be 6, यानी प्लस 1 ऐड हो रहा है. So here we will write that let the second or consecutive positive integer that is in the form of x plus 1. अगर हमें हमारे दो consecutive positive integer मिल रहे हैं then what they have asked, they ask us to make product of it. यानी अगर हम and the product, तो यहाँ पर हम लिख देंगे the product that will be x into x plus 1. अगर हम इन दो का प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हैं, आंसर we are getting in the form of 306. So here what we can answer, so it will become x square and this will become plus x and that will become 306. So what will happen, so it will be x plus x square plus x and we are taking 306 over here and that is equals to 0. So for this question our answer ends over here because उन्होंने हमें सिर्फ क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला फॉर्म करने को पूछा है. दे नॉट आस्क अगर यही सेम प्रोसेस होती फर्दर जाती कि फाइंड दैट टू पॉजिटिव, यानी x भी ढूंढ के दो तो x plus 1 ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाता. बट हाउ वी विल डू, वी विल फैक्टराइज इट और यहाँ पर हम कॉम्बिनेशन बनाते, स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म यूज करते दैट 306 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स निकालो दैट इफ वी आर डूइंग माइनस वी आर गेटिंग प्लस 1 ओवर हियर, यानी उन दो नंबरों को माइनस करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर प्लस 1 आना चाहिए and that is called as splitting the middle term. So by that splitting the middle term we will solve, we will get two brackets over here in the form of x, then we will compare with 0 and then we are substituting that answer over here, that two numbers should be in the form of this. But here we have to end this question because they not ask us to go further on. So as you can see over here, new question is there. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. यानी बहुत सारे स्टेटमेंट हैं, हम उसे क्लैरिफाई करेंगे. So what we will do, let Rohan's age, we will guess in the form of x years. So Rohan's mother's age will be, that will be what? So Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. तो अगर रोहन की एज x है तो उनकी मदर उससे 26 ईयर मोर है, यानी रोहन की मदर की एज x plus 26 होगी. इट मीन्स अगर रोहन 5 साल का है so his mother will be in the form of this. So if he is of 10 years so his mother will be 10 plus 26 means 36 years old. So the statement will go like this, that if Rohan's age is x, so Rohan's mother age is more than his age, that is 26 years. Now the product of their ages, यानी अब इनका प्रोडक्ट नहीं लेना है, the product of their ages 3 years from now, यानी आज से 3 साल बाद. So यहाँ पर हमें सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा that after 3 years, after 3 years 3 साल बाद क्या होगा, तो इन दोनों की एज में चेंज आ जाएगा. लाइक इफ रोहन राइट नाउ इज 10 years तो 3 साल बाद वो 13 साल का हो जाएगा. तो इसी तरह अगर रोहन की मदर x plus 26 ईयर है तो उनकी भी एज 3 years मोर हो जाएगा. So here we have to guess again, let Rohan's age, that will become x plus 3. Understood? बिकॉज राइट नाउ ही इज एज ऑफ एक्स, तो 3 साल बाद वो एक्स प्लस 3 के फॉर्म में हो जाएगा। एंड रोहन्स मदर एज विल बिकम, वो थी एक्स प्लस 26, उसमें क्या ऐड हो जाएगा, तो 3 विल ऐड, सो इट विल बिकम एक्स प्लस 29। So here we found two ages after the 3 years. Now what we have to do? We have to make product of them. So here we will do product of their ages. So it will become x plus 3 और product लेना यानी multiply and that will become x plus 29 and the answer will be in the form of 360. So here we got, now we have to solve it and we have to convert it into quadratic formula. So it will become x square and it will become plus 29x and it will become plus 3x and 29 3s we have to multiply that, 29 3s. So it will become 87 and that is equals to 360. Now here again we have to solve it further because right now it is not in the form. Now we have to add 29 plus 3 because both having x and both having plus, so plus plus will become plus, so what will become, it will become 32x. Now here what we have to do, 87 we are keeping as it is, we have to shift minus 360 over here and that is equals to 0, यानी यहाँ पे है minus 360 plus 87, यानी plus minus will become minus, means operation we have to do of minus, यानी हमें subtraction करना पड़ेगा, let us take borrow from it. So it will become 10 minus 7, that will become 3, 5 minus 8 possible नहीं है, वापिस we will take borrow from it, so 15 minus 8, so it will become 7 and 2 we are taking down, but the symbol of the greater number is minus. As always I am telling you that you have to remember the symbol of the greater number. So now our equation will in the form of minus x square plus 32x minus 273 and that is equals to 0. This is our quadratic equation. But right now as they told that just form the quadratic formula. अगर यही क्वेश्चन वापस 3 या 4 मार्क्स में होता तो we would like to find Rohan's present age, यानी हमें x ढूंढना होता, तो what we were doing again we have to split this, splitting the middle term करते, 273 के ऐसे फैक्टर निकालने माइनस करके उनका आंसर 32 आना चाहिए था, वो भी प्लस 32 and we got two brackets, then we have to solve it, that I will tell you later on, but right now we have to do the process till over here that we have to form quadratic formula. Let me read the question. A train travels distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover. यानी हमें एक स्पीड गैस करनी होगी जो x के फॉर्म में होगी, तभी जाकर वो स्पीड अगर लेस हो रही है यानी x माइनस 8 हो रहा है, स्पीड 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर कम हो रही है, देन ओनली इट इज टेकिंग 3 hours more to cover to the same distance. Then we need to find the speed of the train. But यहाँ पे what data they have given? They have given distance. Distance they gave us in 480 km. They not gave us particular speed. So first we have to guess let the speed of the train. That would be in the x kilometer per hour. It could be in the form of x kilometer. But क्या हो रहा है अगर वो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से जा रही है? If the speed had been 8 km less, यानी अब स्पीड कम हो रही है, तो यहाँ पे हम स्टेटमेंट डालेंगे if the speed of the train decrease, so it will become x minus 8 and that will be kilometer per hour. यानी उसकी ओरिजिनल स्पीड से वो 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से कम हो गई है, देन इट वुड हैव टेकन 3 hours more to cover the same distance. यानी ये प्रॉब्लम ऐसा हो रहा है कि अगर आप पहले स्पीड में जा रहे हो तो आप कोई जगह पर जल्दी पहुंच जाओगे, अगर आपकी स्पीड कम हो गई है तो आप ज़्यादा टाइम लोगे टू कवर दी सेम डिस्टेंस. यानी ये बात ये हुई कि अगर आप भाग के जा रहे हो यानी आपकी स्पीड ज़्यादा है तो आप जल्दी पहुंचोगे, और आप चल के उतना ही डिस्टेंस कवर करोगे तो यू विल टेक मोर टाइम. तो द सेम थिंग हैपन ओवर हियर कि पहले अगर उसकी स्पीड x थी, डिस्टेंस तो उतना ही कवर हो रहा है, डिस्टेंस सेकेंड टाइम के लिए भी उतना ही है, ओनली द चेंज ऑफ द स्पीड इज ओवर हियर। तो अगर स्पीड उसकी कम हो गई है देन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, इट वुड हैव टेकन 3 hours more to cover the same distance। यानी क्या हो रहा है, अब लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू। इफ इट इज गिवन दैट स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम, ठीक है, तो टोटल टाइम भी नहीं दिया गया है, 3 hours मोर लेगा। यानी कहाँ क्या ऐड करना है, लेट मी शो यू। सो इफ योर स्पीड इज x किलोमीटर, यू आर कवरिंग 480 किलोमीटर। इफ योर स्पीड इज x किलोमीटर पर आवर, तब हम कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहे हैं, 480 किलोमीटर। तो टाइम कितना लेंगे, तो हम टाइम उस टाइम के लिए हम t1 ले रहे हैं। सपोज क्या दैट वी आर टेकिंग t1 टाइम। फॉर द सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट, इफ वी आर चेंजिंग आवर स्पीड, यानी अगर हमारी स्पीड चेंज हो गई है बट हमारा डिस्टेंस तो उतना ही है, सो बट हमारा टाइम भी चेंज हो रहा है। सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, सो अगर हमारी स्पीड x - 8 हो गई है तो डिस्टेंस तो हमने 480 किलोमीटर ही कवर किया है, बट टाइम चेंज हो जाएगा, हम 3 hours मोर लेने लग गए हैं। सो दैट इज आवर t2। सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दोनों टाइम इक्वल कब होंगे, तो दोनों टाइम इक्वल कब होंगे, यानी इफ वी आर कंपेयरिंग t1 एंड t2, इफ वी आर कंपेयरिंग t1 एंड t2, तो यहाँ पे 3 hours मोर है, then it would have taken 3 hours more। यानी पहले से t2 3 hours more है तो हम 3 यहाँ ऐड नहीं करेंगे, we will add that 3 in t1। यानी सपोज करते हैं कि अगर पहले वो 2 hours में पहुंच जाता था तो अब ये 3 hours और ज़्यादा ले रहा है, यानी वो 5 घंटे में पहुंच रहा है। So if we are comparing this statement, it is not 5, to make it 5 we can't make it 2। Another thing is that we can make it 2 by subtracting also, but अगर हमें subtraction नहीं करना है तो हम 3 ऐड यहाँ करेंगे। So the same thing is happening over here। तो वो जो 3 more है that we are adding in t1, then if we are forming this statement, what will happen, if we are making head as t1, it will become 480 and this will goes down and it will goes upon, so it is becoming t2 and it will become 480 and it is going down, so it is becoming in this form. Now we have to substitute that value in that only. So on the place of t1 we have to write 480 and by x plus 3 we are writing as it is, and here we have to write on the place of t2 480 x minus 8. Now we have to simplify it, means we have to make simple form of it. So how we will do, so let us, it will become 480 plus 3x, here I have taken LCM and it is in the form of x only, and that is equal to 480 and x minus 8. Now we have to do cross multiplication of it, that is the form. So what we will do, so let us do cross multiplication. So it will become x minus 8 into bracket 480 plus 3x, and this will become 480 into x, 480x. Now we have to simplify it more, so it will become 480 into x, x को मैंने यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई किया, then it will become 3x square. I have to multiply it over here, means we have to do, as here you can see I have taken out factors. Here we got it in the form of this, then we have taken 3 common over here, so finally we are getting this equation, and here we are ending the process because they not told us to find it further on. If they have asked us to do the process, we will use splitting the middle term to solve this question.